What's going on, Brews? I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Blackberry Z10. Okay, so I'm definitely trying to bring old school back here with a Blackberry phone. Now, this phone was kind of like amazing back in the day when it first released, but I'm going to unbox it right here in 2020. If you guys do want to check this phone out for any reason, I'll have a link in both the description. It sells for about $100 right now on Amazon. All right, so anyways, let's get this this box off here and take a look at this phone. Now, you can see it's got the Blackberry branding on the box with the Verizon logo. Now, this phone is old, but I was still able to get it brand new here, so it's pretty amazing. You can get it in both black and white. I decided to go with white because years ago when I first got it, I had the black edition, but I figured why not, check out white here. Now, I'm just gonna see what's in the box here. Got some pamphlets in here, charger, looks like headphones, and there's a battery right here. So you actually have to put the battery in this phone, so I'm going to get that going in just a second here because obviously we're not going to be able to turn it on without doing that. It's almost weird putting a battery in a phone since they're basically always in the phone when you get them these days. So all right, let's get the plastic wrapping off. But this phone, we'll find out if it's still good here in just a second. I'm going to turn it on. It's got, the cool Blackberry branding on the back here. Screen's a little bit small, obviously. Got a little lint on there, so I'm going to wipe that off. And, let's get this thing powered on. So I got the battery in it and I got it up to the home screen here after the startup. So what I want to do here is, kind of just go through the layout of using this phone. So it is very strange. Now, the first thing I noticed on here is that there is no Google Play Store. So you have to use the Blackberry store on here, which I'll open up in a minute. But I'm going to throw up some YouTube on here. Want to just check out some of the video quality for, watching videos. We got this new Star Wars trailer here, which looks freaking cool. It's like a game, I think. So I'm going to load this up. Got the phone on max volume, so I'm going to let this play for like a minute or two, and then we'll check out some more of it.
I can't shake them. Giving engines full power.
Think you can escape?
This is gonna be close. Pilots, you are the Empire's strength. We do not accept defeat.
Remember why we fly. For hope. For the new republic.
Vengeance will be ours.
Seize that moment.
When the perfect shot makes history.
5 pilots.
1 squadron.
The galaxy's finest.
All right, so I thought that was pretty sweet. I think it was actually pretty decent at playing video, but now I want to talk about like putting games on this phone. So you have to use like the Blackberry World Store on here because there's no Google Play. It's extremely limited. I'd probably say it's pretty terrible, to be honest with you. But I actually installed a game on here I'm going to throw up in just a second, but options for, putting games on this phone, you're very limited. I mean, there's hardly anything on it. It is extremely strange. But anyways, let's check out some gameplay on this like alien shooting game. Looks pretty basic, but we'll see how it plays. All right, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and walkthrough on the Blackberry Z10 for 2020. Now, this phone does have some age on it. I still think it's pretty cool, so if you guys do want to check it out, I'll have links in both the description and comments for it on Amazon. If you could also smash a like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.